So guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Davao City Bus. So this is our first time na sumakay dito. Wala masyadong passengers and from our house going to the bus stop. Malapit lang talaga siya, siguro mga kung lalakarin mga 20-minute walk. So from bus stop going to the last stop to Rojas. It would take around mga 1 hour siguro.
Ayan guys, so nakikita nyo guys, meron silang CCTV. And then meron din tayong parang guide. So, ito nasa City North Town. Next is Jollibee Cabantian. It's already 9:02. So, yan. Dito na kami.
So, we're here in the second bus stop from City Mall sa Jollibee Cabantian. So, for now, medyo konti lang yung sumakay from City Mall. And sa second bus stop naman may isa o dalawa lang yata yung sumakay. Super convenient niya kasi air condition tapos malaki yung space niya. Kung i-compare mo sa jeep, which is mainit. Magsumakay ka tapos siksikan. So supposedly yung next stop niya is sa NHA Buhangin and then sa Buhangin Gym. Pero iniba yung route nila kasi parang may problema yata ang bus pag dumaan doon sa parang sumasabit yung bus sa daan kung saan supposedly yung next stop. So iniba nila yung route nila. So nag-straight na lang sila. Dadaan sila ng Gaisano City Gate and then straight na to downtown.
So, guys, andito na kami ngayon sa Milan. Yan. Isa to sa parang marami talagang mga sasakyan. Dito minsan may traffic. Pero as of the moment, hindi naman siya gaano ka-traffic. Stop lang talaga yung light. So, ayan guys yung CCTV. Very secured talaga guys. And then, kung gusto mong, kunyari, bababa ka sa next stop, ito lang yung pipindutin nyo. Yan, yung stop button. And then, meron magsasalita naman kung saan station bababa. Then may mga reminders in English and Bisaya.
It's so amazing na may ganito na dito sa Davao because very similar siya yung experience namin dati nung pumunta kami sa Macau, which is bus din yung pinaka main mode of transportation nila. We're so fortunate na the government here in Davao, LGU, is gumagawa sila ng mga ganitong projects for the convenience sa mga tao. For now, itong bus na to is libre pa siya. And then, until further notice. So, ever since na nag-start to, yata mga a month ago, libre pa siya. So, kausap po yung conductor kanina na wala pang notice sa kanila kung kailan mag-start yung payment nito. So, for sure may mga need pang i-improve. Siguro, for now, parang mga 10 buses lang yata yung nag-ooperate around Davao City na yan. So, 10 buses. So, imagine, uh, hindi pa talaga nakikater yung majority ng mga commuters dito sa Davao. So, siguro yun yung need nila improve na over time kailangan magdagdag ng number of buses para makater talaga yung mga commuters, especially during peak hours. So, ang next bus stop is sa Ladislao subdivision pero walang bumaba. So, dumiretso lang yung bus. So, the next bus stop after Ladislao is Abriza Mall. So, Abriza Mall, yan na yung parang papasok na tayo sa pinaka-center ng city. Yan na yung parang, kumbaga, isa sa mga business district sa Davao. So, I think marami nang bumababa dyan from where this bus came from. So, ayan guys. Papasok na tayo sa city center. Isang Bahada. JP Laurel Avenue. Yan. Dito mo na makikita yung mga high-rise buildings. So, nandito kami ngayon sa next bus stop which is yung Abriza Mall of Davao.
Station. Maayong pag-abot sa Abriza Mall Station.
So, next stop guys after Abriza Mall is NCCC Mall Victoria Plaza, which is recently last year December 31 nag-close na sila for how many years? For being one of the pioneering mall dito sa Davao. So, so sad. Nag-close na sila. Sa Davao, part talaga ng childhood nila yung Victoria Plaza. So, maraming na sad, nalungkot na nag-close sila for how many years. Pero, that's life. Because there's a new development for that area and hopefully, it's for the betterment of the people of Davao. Yung mga times pumupunta kami dito for strolling lang. Then way back college days, ito talaga yung tambayan namin because malapit lang siya sa university kung saan kami nag-aaral. From NCCC Mall Victoria Plaza, the last stop is Red Cross Rojas na. So medyo malayo yung yung distance from Victoria Plaza to Red Cross Rojas. So kung somewhere between yung destination mo, dapat sa Victoria Plaza ka na lang bumaba. Because we also thought na may bus stop pa sa Gmall pero wala pala. So I think guys, yung one problem na parang naisip ko regarding dito is mahirap actually i-track yung schedule ng buses. Mahirap malaman kung anong oras dadating yung bus because need hintayin yung pagbalik niya from downtown. Need i-consider yung traffic papuntang downtown tsaka pabalik ng City Mall North Town. So luckily yung kami naabutan pa namin yung last trip which is 9 a.m. Kailangan namin mga 9:30. So kung pumunta kami ng City Mall North Town mga 9:30 a.m. for sure hindi na namin maabutan yung last trip. Super guys, super convenient. And then i-compare mo sa jeep is mainit talaga. super convenient talaga sumakay sa bus kasi aircon tapos hindi siksikan for now. So palapit na tayo sa last stop ng bus which is sa Rojas. So itong area na to, ito talaga yung pinaka I must say na pinaka center talaga. So I think ito dun yung Rojas, ito yung parang terminal sa Davao. So dito mag parang converge magpapang-abot lahat ng buses. So yeah, from south and north. So for sure during peak hours mayroong tao dito. So guys, ito yung Rojas Street, Red Cross. So yun guys. Ito na yung last stop.
Red Cross Rojas Station. Maayong pag-abot sa Red Cross Rojas Station.
So, overall, yung trip namin from City Mall, Northtown to here, Rojas, is mga 30 minutes lang. So, guys, ayun, super convenient and wala, seamless travel. So, that's it. That's it for our first ever Davao City bus trip. So, nandito guys yung mga routes ng buses nakalagay sa Rojas Bus Station. So, if ever na need nyo malaman kung ano yung need yung sakyan, so tingnan nyo lang dito guys. So guys, from Davao City Bus to Davao City Jeep. So, supposedly doon talaga kami sa Abriza bus stop bababa. Pero we decided na dumiretso na lang sa Rojas bus stop just for the experience. So from Rojas, nag-jeep na lang kami papuntang Abriza. So, ayun nga, as I said earlier na super convenient talaga pag sumakay ng bus. Kasi aircon, saka hindi siksikan yung malaki yung spacious yung bus. Unlike sa jeep, mainit, open. Yan lang guys. Going to Abriza now.